So, hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. So, let's do our assignment Ethical Hacking Week 3rd, Assignment 3rd. So, the first question is which of the following statement is false? So, the option is IP protocol user A, B IP protocol uses connectionless routing, C in connectionless routing each packet is treated as independent packet, and D none of these. So the answer of first question is, now check the answer of first question is question first. Connectionless network layer protocol treats each packet independently. IP protocol use connectionless approach for packet delivery. So the option of question first is A. IP protocol uses connected connection oriented routing. Now the second question is, a routing table entry that is manually configured remains unchanged unless manually modified is called a dash routing table entry. So the option is automatic, second static, third dynamic, and fourth none of these. So the answer of second question is type of routing table static, contains information inserted manually, does not change with time. So the answer of second question is B, static. Now the third question is which of the following statement is false about direct and indirect packet delivery? So the option is direct delivery happens with the same network, second indirect delivery is used for different network, third in indirect delivery packet travel through multiple routers, and fourth none of these. So let's check the answer of third question. So the answer of third question is direct delivery host to host, router to host, indirect delivery through one or more router. So the answer of third question is D, none of these. Now the fourth question is which of the following statement correct describe features of dynamics routing? And these are the options. So let's check the answer of fourth question is. So the answer of fourth question is type of routing table. Dynamic update periodically depending on network condition. Uses protocol like RIP, OSPF, BGP, etc. So the answer of fourth question is B, C, D. Now, the fifth question is, in the routing table, which of the following flags indicates that the route uses a gateway to reach the destination? So the option is A, U, B, G, C, H, D, D, E, M. So the answer of fifth question is B. Now check the answer. So the answer type field in a routing table, G, destination is in another network. So the answer of fifth question is B. Now the sixth question is which of the following statement about the default route is incorrect? A. It is specified by an address 0.0.0.0. B. It is specified by an address 127.0.0.1. It is used for forwarding packets to unknown destination, and D. None of these. So let's check the answer of sixth question is. So the answer of sixth question is B. It is specified by an address 127.0.0.1. Now the seventh question is which of the following routing protocols suffers from the count to infinity problem? OSFP, BGP, RIP, none of these. So let's check the answer of seventh question. So the answer of seventh question is problem with RIP, counting to infinity problem. So the answer of seventh question is C, RIP. Now the eighth question is which of the following routing protocols is used for routing between different autonomous system? So the option is RIP, second OSFP, third BGP, and fourth is ICMP. So let's check the answer of eighth question. So the answer of eighth question is use exterior routing protocols to pass exchange routing information between routers in different AS BGP. So the answer of eighth question is C, BGP. Now the ninth question is in open shortest path first OSPF routing protocol, which of the following packets is used to check if the neighbor router is up active? So the option is A, link state request, B, hello packet, C, link state acknowledgement, D, TCP three-way handshake, E, none of these. So let's check the answer of ninth question. So the answer of ninth question is OSPF packets type hello, check if neighbor is up. So the answer of question 9 is B, hello packet. Now the 10th question is which of the following statement is false for IPv6? A, IPv6 supports address class like A, B, and C. B, IPv6 address are 128-bit long. C. The base header size in IPv6 is 48 byte. And D. None of these. So the answer of 10th question is A. IPv6 supports address class like A, B, and C. Now submit your answer. So thank you friends for watching this video.